Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. It's a really nice place you've got here. A little bijou, perhaps, but I think of it as home. Now, let me see. Casserole of duck, duck with cherries, duck and chestnut, duck pate, duck pancakes and plum sauce. Here we are, duck à l'orange.
What are we having for lunch?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know, but what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll have something. A surprise.
Oh, my mother must have been thinking about someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Oh, bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having any fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no. She was different. Do you know what my mother used to say to me?
No.
You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds, and with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So, ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can talk your talk before the crunch. You can play with your food, but why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. Tell me, ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything at all. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddle, dabble in the mud, take a sip of bats in the shallows, and maybe if there's time, go slide on the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous, it's clearly not the case. I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can jest with your joint before you slice. You can play with your food, but don't dribble. Mama gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you gulp it. You can mess with your meal before you munch. With your food and then pump it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. We could go rushing in the rushes, dashing down a ditch, find a place where it's boggy, then make a little camp that's secretive and damp for me and my mate the Maggie. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop calling me names. Or I'll help you to forget the way they scattered, just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. You want to play hide and seek, do you? Ducky, where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it.
You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food away. It's a crazy little game. Tell me, Ducky, do you like oranges?
Well, I don't know. I've never had one before.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called...
What was that noise?
Salivating.
I didn't think it was coming from outside.
Oh, that's just the children from the farm playing ball. Do they come play with me? Do they come ring around my Rosie? I don't even suppose they remember they own a cat. Some people just shouldn't own animals, and 8 out of every 10 cats who expressed a preference would agree with me.
What are people?
What are people? Bad news, that's what people are. You don't want to get mixed up in that bunch. Just think yourself lucky, Ducky, that I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter one. Duck! Yes, I know, it's a duck. Duck! I know, it's a rutty duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Duck! Struck out by a foul ball.
You broke the window!
The ball's got inside!
Oh no! They're coming inside! Oh, that's a good idea. You lay low until the heat is off. I'll find my own way back to the duck yard. Perhaps we can have lunch some other time. Goodbye.